Hello Creeper fans and people on YouTube, this is Ned of GiveTheCreeperAHug, and this is a video about my spades server regarding the people who go on my server. This video is not really to get views, it's just so the people on my server get to have a say on what map they want to play on. But I'm going to release the video to the public anyway, so they can vote as well, because I'm awesome. So I'm just going to show you all the maps that I have in my computer, so I can put them on the server, and so you will get to vote to play on the ones you want. This video was made especially for the two regulars that come on my server quite a lot, Pie and Can I Build, with a question mark at the end, who come on my server quite a lot. So let's start looking at the maps and you'll eventually get to vote. Let's see, map 1. Map 1 is called acidcrackmeth. Well, it's some strange place with lots of weird colours and mountains. If you want this as your map, vote for this. Let's go and see the map. This video is going to be boring, but I have to make it for my friends. This video is called anticbridge. It's basically just a bridge with lots of secret tunnels, and you can dig down there and stuff like that. And you can have epic wars. Let's go on to the next map. The next map is called Assault. It's very basic, just a big square and some other stuff. Sorry if you don't get a good look at these maps, I've not got much time at the moment. The next map is called bridgeitis. There we go, bridgeitis. It's basically a load of bridges that you have to build to get to the team and eventually capture their intel. And there's sniper towers on each side. The next map is called bridgewars, which is just the same, just a massive bridge, and you don't have to build the bridges yourself. The next map is called Cannibalislands, which is just looks something similar to Vietnam or something like that, a map that's like Vietnam. And there's a load of islands with some bridges on it. And the next map is called Chokepoint, which is just basically one massive clusterfuck. But I guess it could be good for a war zone because you can dig and stuff like that. The next map is called Easternbay. This is the one I'm using at the moment. Once again, if you want this map to be on my Ace of Spades server, DERPYHOOVES Brony Server on Ace of Spades, vote for this map if you want it. The next map is Hell. A lavery, horrible place. This map could be good because I could set it so the lava actually hurts you if you fall in. That could be a good add-on if you want that. So if you want this map, vote for it. The next map is called Icecap, which is an ice cap. Very hilly, and you can build some stuff. This one's called Island. This is the most mainstream map on the whole of Ace of Spades. I used this server for quite a long time, but I'm starting to get bored of it now, so this is why I'm making this video, so you guys can ask to change the map. This map is called Isthmus. Once again, a very basic map, just almost completely flat with some water and stuff, and an island bay where you can get the intel. This map is called Latticebridge. It's basically just bridge wars, except the bridge is bigger and you can build more stuff on it. You can fall to your death in this water. The next map is called mesa or mesa, I don't know how to pronounce it. This one looks quite nice. It's a desert warfare map, in like somewhere like Mexico desert, or an American desert, somewhere in a desert place. It looks quite nice. Has a border around it. It could be like a jail or something, and it looks really cool. The next map's called Normandie, based on the D-Day things at war in actual Normandy. It's meant to look quite like it, and I'll give you that it actually does. And this map is good for indoor combat inside these houses, and sniping from the houses as well. It's quite fun, but also this map is quite mainstream, so I don't really plan on using this one too much. The next map is called Paradise. It's a lot similar to Island, except without the holidayness of it. This map is called Pizza. This is quite funny because if you press M, a pizza comes up, which is pretty funny, but I don't see how this is good for combat in an actual game. So let's just go on to the next map. This map's called Platform. Basically a flat grass where you can build what you want and just go capture the intel on this like track here. Quite boring, but quite, original can sometimes be good. The next map is called Pyspades, which is just an array of islands, these dark islands, and it's quite boring, but could work, Let's go to the next map. The next map is called Scandinavia. It's Scandinavia. It's very snowy. It's a lot like icecap. So we can build and tunnel to get to the intel. And the last map I have is called Terminal, or Termina. This map is very strange, but it can work. I've played it before. It is quite a good place for combat because you can snipe up here, you can run down here and run its stairs. It's quite fun. So that's the end of all the maps that I have to offer. I could also eventually make my own map, which will take me a while. If you want me to make my own map, tell me what you want in the map and why. If not, just vote for one of these maps that you found in this video. Sorry, this video has been very boring, but I have to make it for my friends because they have to watch it so they can vote. Thanks for listening to me ramble, I guess.